people over there, when they saw the film, they were in tears.
Yeah.
So that was amazing to see that. And yeah, at that point, it gave me a boost. You
Yeah.
know, so it does give you a boost. Any sort of a reality
Hmm.
show, and especially winning it, it gives you a great boost. So these things are definitely there, where you become soft targets, where you are, harassed to a certain level.
Yeah. Did that teach you anything? Like, because you were young and
No,
losing an
it put me
opportunity.
into depression for 2 months. But then, yeah, it taught me a lot. Hi, I'm Rajneesh Dugal, and you're watching me on India Forums.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Hello, hi, namaste. This is Ashwar and I'm from India Forums. And today I'm joined by someone who is all set to tick off this hard-hitting true crime after checklisting almost all different kind of categories such as modeling, horror, thriller, romantic thriller, period thriller, and even a short film which recently got screened at Amicotti
Yeah.
International Film Festival. Yes, I'm talking about the one and only Rajneesh. Hello
Hi.
Rajneesh, welcome
Hello.
to India Forums.
Thank you so much.
कैसे हो
Thanks.
आप?
मैं बिल्कुल बढ़िया.
First of all, big congratulations for the movie as well as for the short film.
Thank
कैसा
you.
लग रहा है?
Thank you. It feels overwhelming. It feels very good कि Fragile, the film that we've made, I've also the creative director of the film
Yeah.
and acted in it. We've got a great response in the Amicotti Film Festival. It's the first screening of the film जो इटली में हुई है. And people over there, when they saw the film, they were in tears.
Yeah.
So that was amazing to see that people actually connected with it. And even though for them they were reading the subtitles and watching it, but yeah, it gives us more encouragement. And then Udaipur Files, on the other hand, is something which is a very hard-hitting film.
Yeah.
It's the truth of Kanhaiya Lal murder case,
Yeah.
Taylor's murder case. And Vijay Raj Bhai is playing the Taylor. I'm playing the IB chief,
Yeah.
who's the intelligence bureau chief of the country.
Hmm.
And it's amazing the way they've made the film. They've made it in so there's a cop angle, there's a lawyer angle, and there is a Taylor angle.
Covering all angles.
Covering all, yeah.
So with the release date, nearing, what are the thoughts and questions that are looming on your mind?
See, thoughts and questions यही है कि सच सामने आएगा और बाकी चीजें ये है कि how the people will take it and we all excited and थोड़ा सा वो एक fear तो नहीं है but एक हल्की सी वो nervousness है of how people will take it because already censor ने 2-3 बार उसको थोड़ा cut करवाया which is fine. I think they also don't want anything which goes over with any controversy. Obviously there will be certain truths, there are certain truths and hard-hitting things which जो picture का part हैं तो हैं. Yeah.
In India, we have seen like actors become soft targets when a film stays controversy.
Yes.
Like
Yeah.
there have been instances where film poster को burn किया जाता है,
Yeah.
actors को blame किया जाता है,
Yeah.
social media flooded with abuse, boycott was. While signing the show, or were you afraid that signing this movie will lead you to face such outrages?
No, जो last में आपने बोला, it's happening with me right now. The social media bit.
Oh.
Yeah. So whatever we are posting from my page, there's a lot of things being written. But then I think so. You have to take it with a pinch of salt. But then it does hit you because आप sensitive भी हो, आप उन चीजों को मैं किसी को ऐसे एज सच बुरा नहीं बोलना चाहता लेकिन जो सच है वो तो सामने आएगा, वो तो सामने लाने का आप पार्ट बन रहे हो. So the entire story, entire space, you are sort of also becoming part of the truth or the story which is telling the truth. So these things are definitely there where you become soft targets, where you are harassed to a certain level.
Yeah, but do you feel that it's ever justified for people to target or threaten an actor?
I think without seeing it you should not do that.
Yeah.
एक बार आप देख लो, अगर उसके बाद आपको लगता है कि उसमें there's something wrong, then you can. But then also you should not.
Yeah.
So it is the opinion of the storyteller. And
exactly.
And it is not my opinion. मैंने तो नहीं बनाई.
You are an
मतलब I am
actor.
an actor who's done this, gone and done this part.
Hmm.
So वो चीज है, but see, it's very tough to also explain. If I go into their shoes,
Hmm.
then someone who is really they can believe that ये हमारे लिए बुरा बोल रहा है, तो फिर उनका रिएक्शन कुछ भी हो सकता
Yeah.
Yeah.
But who do you think, मतलब जब लोगों को बुरा लगता है या जो भी हो,
है. Yeah.
who do you think they should blame or outrage? They should question whom? Like not actors obviously, because they are of course playing a role.
Yeah.
But there's someone who is writing the story,
Yeah.
the makers,
Yeah.
the face behind the movie.
Yeah.
Like,
see, I think some things like these, like you have, let's say, Tashkent Fires or the Kerala stories. All these stories have, they are about the truth.
yeah.
And ना मेरे पास प्रूफ है ना आपके पास है
जी.
कि जो उसमें बताया गया वो सच है,
Such it.
राइट?
Hmm.
सो जबकि हम बिलीव करते हैं कि ये सच है,
Hmm.
एंड that's how I also believe that उदयपुर फाइल्स में जो है वो सच है,
Such it.
राइट? जितना मैं सर्च कर सकता था बिफोर टेकिंग ऑन द फिल्म, आई डिड.
Hmm.
I also googled it. I
Yeah.
did, मतलब जो भी मैंने मेटा को बोला ये सब, so everything came out right. And then you say कि हाँ यार ये सच है, and I want to be a part of it.
Hmm.
अब now rest, what the real thing is, it's always both the sides.
Yeah.
So that can only be, मतलब for anyone to check it also is you got to know both sides of the story.
Story.
And so this is, I think, the writer's side of the story.
Okay. Films based on real life incidents, often get कि ये ना या तो necessary है या फिर propaganda है.
Hmm.
What were the responses, you thought like public या political, कहीं से भी जो angle से आएगा,
Yeah.
आप क्या anticipate कर रहे हो, like what kind
See,
of
something
response?
like this, or films like which go into these category where you are telling the truth, the real story, which कुछ भी religion के ऊपर जाता है या कुछ भी जाता है किसी killing पे, so it
हाँ.
always becomes or goes into that propaganda film,
Propaganda, yeah.
which it never started like that. It is never the idea of the maker also.
Yeah.
But then वो उस तरफ चले ही जाता है, या मतलब उस तरफ अब now either there are groups which are pushing this, which we can't मतलब catch hold of, so you can't say anything. You just have to take that with a thing कि यार ये तो होना ही है, मतलब ये तो बोला ही जाएगा. So that's why the censor is there, right? So censor is there to take care of all that, कि जितना भी उसको curb कर सकते हैं, जितना भी उसको neutralize कर सकते हैं, वो करके फिर आप दिखाएं. बट जब पूरा न्यूट्रलाइज कर देंगे तो फिर दिखेगा क्या?
Yeah.
तो ये भी है. So there's a very thin line which they can start cutting also.
When stories like Kanhaiya Lal, are shown on the screen,
Yes.
There's always risk of putting the victim's family,
Yes.
hurting them, or
Yeah.
their pain is reawakened.
Yes. But in
right?
this case, they are fully involved in it.
Oh.
With the producer, with the writer,
Of course,
they know everything. They have been involved with them from day one.
Okay.
Even before he started writing it.
Okay.
So he's kept that whole family
Yeah.
involved.
I was just about to ask you, like, what kind of measures did you guys take to ensure that, stories told with care, empathy, and respect, right? Yeah. And also, often ऐसे जब भी movies आते हैं तो लोगों का ना there are set of people who questions, or या believes कि ये सब ना actually जान के करते हैं कि they know that people will react in such a way, controversies होगी, which will kind of help them to create high publicity. As someone who has been in this industry for a while now, कोई सच है इसमें? No. कि क्या सच में ऐसे पब्लिसिटी के लिए करते हैं?
मतलब वो लोग तो मतलब it's a group, or I don't know, like these days, so it's all virtual, so you don't even know whether they're bots or not. They could be bots who are just put there to keep writing. So because अगर आप खोल के देखो तो they have 0 followers या 0 post या ये भी, मतलब it goes to that level, like my team's checked, or that's a peer team checked, or sometimes the production team is checked. That is how they are. But then ठीक है, see, I think हर एक का अपना हक है बोलने का. I think it's a free country, but then freedom of speech should be restricted to a certain level. Where you should not go out and go out and probably hit someone below the belt.
Hmm.
That's what I can say. मतलब आप ठीक है, आपका ओपिनियन है, आप ओपिनियन रखिए सामने, लेकिन आप किसी के घर तक तो मत पहुंचिए.
जी.
So it
Yeah.
reaches the family when they start writing and saying things. It obviously you feel bad
Yeah.
and you feel angry, you feel a rage there. But I think then eventually you laugh it off also. But then there's a fear that what if
Yeah.
they
They'll
get
start.
real?
Hmm.
Yeah.
How are you handling?
अभी तो मतलब so that's the biggest thing that I told my producer also and I told my director कि यार ये this is
Family पे जाता है.
yeah I said ऐसा इतना लेवल पे नहीं जाना चाहिए.
Hmm.
So they said ब्रिजेश भाई ये तो
होता है.
जाएगा. So ठीक है, I think it's yeah
Part of it.
yes
Well, आपकी बात करें तो you are tall, handsome, you look like a model, right? So ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि of course हुआ ही होगा, लोग आपको आके बोलते होंगे you should be a model, you look
Yeah.
like a model. How do you respond to critics who say कि you look more like a model or you
Yeah.
should be a model than an actor?
but I was a model so
Yeah.
I don't feel bad about it.
But अभी ऐसा कोई बोलते हैं कि
नहीं अभी depending on my role I changed my look.
look,
So
yeah,
So वो अभी maybe I'm looking like a model, but when I'm playing an inspector or when I'm playing an
Yeah.
army guy or playing a lawyer, then I'm a lawyer.
we are very excited to
So
see.
yeah, so वो अलग-अलग roles में अलग हो जाता है.
Hmm.
So it's not that, and it's never bad, but then it's not only about the looks. So it goes beyond.
Okay.
That's what I feel. कि अगर उनको लगा तो ठीक है, उन्होंने अपने way से maybe
हाँ.
compliment दिया हो.
So you
And-
take both as a compliment,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Model.
yeah, of course.
If I were to ask you, what was your dream
Yeah.
when you first stepped into this industry,
Yeah.
and what is your dream now,
Yeah.
today? What
Yeah.
would
So this industry means films or
film?
modeling.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when I stepped into films,
Yeah.
my first film was 1920.
Yeah.
My whole idea, I in fact had signed a 3-film deal with Vikram Vatsa, and so yeah. So that time the idea was to do films, to pura like see every film you do it as a newcomer. Every film you want to give it your best. Every
Yeah.
film, every role you want to explore more, and so that's what I think with the changing time, what you realized is also कि इतने mediums भी हैं अभी, right? Film है, OTT भी आ गया, जो पहले नहीं था. And then social media was not that strong पहले,
Strong, yeah.
which is also very strong now. So there are a lot of mediums, there are a lot of opportunities that an actor gets or an actor can use, and then मतलब आप के mind में क्या है और आपकी evolution wise आप कहाँ पे कैसे grow हुए हो ये भी देखना बहुत जरूरी है. So my evolution I feel is more towards मतलब so as an actor I also love to write, I
Yeah.
also love to create things. So I think so that's where I'm going. I think so that's why we made Fragile. So Fragile is something which is my concept,
Yeah.
and
Oh.
I'm the creative director. I've written it, and I've acted in it. But
Ah.
with me, there's Amrita Kanvilkar,
Yes.
there's Govind Namdev sir, Praveen Singh Sisodia sir, and Abhishek Patel, Gauri Shankar. So these are the guys who are with me. Dheeraj Singh has directed it, and so that's our first step towards what we want to do further. मतलब मैं और one of like my production partner Anand Pachikar. So Flow Like Water Films is the film's production which we've made, and we started. And we always wanted कि जब पहली चीज करेंगे कभी भी जो बनाएंगे, it has to be something which is giving to the society, which is
Yeah.
social. So that's why Fragile came out, and Fragile is a story about parents and a child who's with Fragile X syndrome, and Fragile is actually the state of the parents. कि उनकी स्टेट जो होती है जिस स्थिति में वो रहते हैं वो बहुत फ्रेजाइल,
अच्छा.
क्योंकि जब आपका बच्चा एक स्पेशल चाइल्ड है
हाँ.
तो आपको बहुत कुछ सोसाइटी से सुनने को मिलता है
Of course.
आए दिन. मतलब एवरी डे यू वुड बी लिसनिंग टू थिंग्स कि अरे यार बच्चा कैसा है, ये क्यों ऐसे नहीं करता है, ये क्या करता है. एंड देन ऑन द अदर हैंड यू आल्सो trying to put up a smiley face in front of the child. So it's a very different space where we've taken the film.
आपने ऑफ कैमरा बताया कि जब मूवी स्क्रीन हुआ तभी शॉर्ट फिल्म स्क्रीन हुआ तभी यू गॉट डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फीडबैक्स, अच्छे
Yeah.
फीडबैक्स. ऐसा कोई एक चीज जो आपके दिल में ऐसा रह गया हो कि वाओ.
Yeah, so when the film was being screened at the Amicoti Film Festival, So there's a like we were all sitting in the front row, and then there's audience picture,
Yes.
and the big screen पे चलती है picture.
Hmm.
तो मैं तो throughout इधर भी देख रहा था बीच में, right? क्योंकि आप देखते हो reaction क्या है.
Reactions.
But slowly, where we wanted, that tear to drop is where I could see teary eyes.
Yeah.
जबकि अंधेरे में मतलब I could see those teary eyes there, and I अंदर से you're feeling proud also कि like yes that background score worked. मतलब वो एक होता है कि as a maker you feel कि हाँ यार वो सही जगह पे है जो piano बज रहा है. तो and after that like when the lights came on, when everyone clapped, they were amazing reviews. मतलब we've been getting reviews since that day. I've asked for some testimonials also. And Amicotti as a festival with their jury has given us 4.5 stars out of 5, and they've written some amazing stuff about the film. Then personally जो लोगों ने मुझे बोला, मेरा इतना मन किया कि I wish my team was also there to listen to this.
Yeah.
Because there were certain points where we got stuck on. I wanted this, but my people wanted something else, but then eventually we did this, and it worked.
Yes.
Right, so वो छोटी-छोटी victories हैं, लेकिन you feel कि हाँ, like this is amazing, and this is great for future because it gives you that encouragement कि आप जो सोच रहे हो और कर रहे हो सही है.
Yeah.
And so one of the I think best reviews so far that we've also got is from Vicky from Greece, who's a very big journalist there. She's also a PhD in bioethics from the University of Athens. And writes for US and Canada press. So she has given a very, very hard-hitting review, which is probably more deeper than the synopsis of the film. And उसमें बहुत कुछ उन्होंने बोला है performances के बारे में, heart touching. She's also said that very subtly they've touched the subject, and then yet also the state of the parents, which is fragile, and then how they've taken the film forward, whereas it's just a short film where they've within those 30 minutes told you everything and taken you through that journey.
It's also a good experience, to witness live reactions from audience.
Of course, always. Yeah.
आपने ना आपके past interviews में कहा था कि you were initially cast opposite Priyanka Chopra during what was the film? Yakeen, and got dropped when she said ki, she didn't want to work with newcomers.
She never said that on my face.
But the makers told.
That's what they told.
But it came as a shocking for all the people who believed in her. Who we all thought
frankly speaking, I still believe in her. I still really like the way Priyanka Chopra is. She's a fantastic actress, and the way she's carried herself. So मेरे लिए ऐसे कोई the kind of person I am, I probably look inside rather than looking outside at someone and blaming them.
Yeah.
Because I'm sure उनकी या उनके managers की या किसी team की कुछ ना कुछ चीजें रही होंगी या फिर production की रही होंगी. So I don't know, right? So you can't really say. And I just feel blessed because I feel that I was lucky that उस time पे मैंने start नहीं किया. Because I was also very young.
Yes.
Yeah. So I was actually maybe younger than her, or maybe just a year आसपास. I had just won Mr. India that time. So maybe मेरे लिए I wasn't ready. So in a way it saved me.
Did that teach you anything? Like, because you were young and losing an opportunity.
It put me into depression for 2 months. But then it taught me a lot. It taught me that now when I come back and when I do it, I would have my own shoulder, my own face, my own value in the market, and then I'll go for it.
Yes.
So I waited for like 3 years. I did music videos, commercials, Ram. I was the face of Raymond's, Kit Kat, Yamaha, all these brands. And that's when I got 1920.
Yeah. Well, also you have mentioned that Hanuman Chalisa did help you a lot during your career journey.
Yeah.
Can you share something about it?
So I think not just I think in life, because आज भी मैं करता ही हूँ. So my day doesn't start or end without it. So it's something which is part of my life. It's it's something which I believe in. Even I have a tattoo of Hanumanji on my shoulder.
Wow.
So it's something which I personally believe in. And it's not about one particular religion. I think it's just as a human. It's just as a belief on something, on your power. So that I feel is my power. and because I think so he symbolizes, for me he symbolizes like discipline,
Yes.
you know, your focus, your determination, आपका किसी के प्रति एक loyalty. So these are the things which Hanumanji does, right? So that's how that's why I like it.
Okay. After Dil Mein Chupa Lunga song,
Yeah.
you know, you decided that you are not going to do
Yes.
such erotic scenes.
Yeah.
But do you think like nowadays when OTT is all over the,
Yeah.
you know, everywhere and people are doing it and it does ask you such scenes.
Yeah.
Not all, but
Yeah.
there are some,
Yeah.
right? कभी ऐसा लगा ये डिसीजन की वजह से बहुत सारे अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स हाथ से चले गए?
See, कुछ गए, लेकिन आई थिंक उस टाइम पे वो एक मेरा डिसीजन उसके लिए भी था because you know I have a daughter.
Yeah.
I felt that tears growing and she's at an age where it's a very impressionable age and I didn't want her to for those few years at least see me or you know see anything which which leaves an impression on her.
Yeah.
Now she's growing, so I think so it's see basically main thing is if your script really demands it, then it's different. Then
Yeah.
I'm open to it. But if you just put it to titillate the audience, then no.
no.
Then I
Okay.
can't be party to it. That's how I feel.
Well,
क्योंकि बहुत जगह पे सिर्फ ऐसे ही डाला होता है.
हाँ वो you
Yeah.
know when it's demanding then you have
Yeah,
to kind of. So you are okay with it, right?
Yeah, if
In
it's
future.
if it's really part of the script, then you can't help it. But if it's added in the script just to create more masala, then
It wasn't na for this song.
no, it wasn't needed.
It was.
Yeah.
Well, lastly, you won Khatron Ke Khiladi 5,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Of course, it gave you that prize money, that
Yeah.
fame, love, and everything. But in the long run, did that win impact your career? Something like, was it a real breakthrough at that time or now? If I have to ask.
No, I think see, it's just a thing which you want to do. It's an
Yeah.
adventure show. It's great for that time.
Hmm.
And yeah, at that point, it gave me a boost. You
Yeah.
know, so it does give you a boost. Any sort of a reality show, and especially winning it, it gives you a great boost. And in our time, we had a great set of people. We
Yes.
had Gurmeet, Salman, me, Niketan, KB, Vishal. You know, so if I look at the names, Ranveer Shori, and Devina,
Yes.
Gauhar,
Yeah.
so Mugdha, Owa, so Daya sir.
Yeah.
So we had like a list of great people inside. We became great friends after that also during that show.
Yeah.
I think it gives you more than that. So it's not just a boost in your career, it also gives you certain friends for life. It gives you those memories for life. And it teaches you that what it taught me was the biggest, more than the boost, was that an attitude which changed, which was कि never say no. Right? So मतलब आप पहले कुछ चीज सुनते थे तो आप बोल देते थे कि अच्छा ठीक है मैं इसको सोचता हूँ या करूँगा या नहीं करूँगा. बट उसके बाद ये चेंज हो गया कि अब मैं हाँ यार करके देखते हैं. So that changed.
अभी कोई रियलिटी शोज क्योंकि बहुत सारे आ चुके
Oh,
हैं
wow.
अभी.
नहीं अभी
Big
तो
Boss
मैंने ऐसा
है.
नहीं अभी कुछ सोचा
कुछ नहीं
Yeah.
कुछ. Okay. Well, thank you so much.
Thank
It
you.
was lovely talking to
Yeah.
you. All the very best and I
Thank you.
hope फिल्म भी उतनी सक्सेसफुल हो
Thank you so
जितना
much.
शॉर्ट फिल्म था.
Yeah, yeah.